What's going on YouTube? Today we're gonna be cold starting this John Deere 60. It's about negative 30 degrees or plus out here. Not too sure. Last night she got down, oh, it's probably negative 33 or colder, but we're gonna see what this thing wants to do. Hasn't ran in about a month or so, so give her a little fuel. Looks like we got power up there. That's a bonus anyways. What do you think she's gonna do? Think she'll run?
We gotta check the fuel, make sure we got fuel first.
All right, yeah, I like the confidence. I'm with you, I'll be disappointed if she don't run. All right, the block's showing negative 49 degrees. The head's showing about negative 48, which is not that cold out here. Let's see what the ground says. Well, the ground says negative 35 or so.
It's pretty cold.
Yeah, she's pretty cold out here. So we're up here in northeast Nebraska. It's been quite a cold snap lately. All right, guys, so we're gonna give her a go here. See what wants to happen. Woo! Got 10 weight oil in her too, so she's gonna turn over a little hard. Come on, Johnny. Oh, sign of life. Let that starter rest a little bit.
Down at the bottom. Try again.
Sure.
Here we go. Let's make sure we're getting fuel to her.
All right, guys, we're just gonna double check, make sure we're getting fuel there. She didn't want to go that first time. Look at this brave guy with the hands. Woo!
She's coming.
We got fuel.
We got fuel.
That's gotta be cold on the hands, I
Yeah,
guess,
it's just a touch.
A little bit. Sure you're gonna have a hand when we get back in the truck?
Oh yeah, this is not the first time we've done this.
Right on. All right, let's give her another go.
Let's see what she says, eh?
All right, we're back here with the temp number 2. Oh, where there's smoke, there's fire. Come on, baby. Oh, she wants to. Oh, looky here, boys. All right, we're gonna give her another try here.